Hello and welcome back to my update on that increase of the PPP loan or the EIDL Small Business Grant Loan. My name is Clint Carter, and it's been a while since I did an update, and reason being, you guys, I'm a YouTube channel that is not going to put an update or a video every day on a stimulus package update, on a PPP increase update, if there's not any update. So I see thousands of people riding the wave of stimulus package update on YouTube, and that's great. More power to them. But if you want to watch a channel, when you have time that's not going to fill you with fluff and get you on here and basically have you watching after your hard day at work, only to find out nothing, then subscribe to my channel, like my channel. We've been grateful for the outpouring of love and for the views and the people that comment and I have questions, and I'm here for you. I'm an average, everyday father and family, and so I'm just here, and I'm only going to give you an update if there is one. So I did get an answer back from the SBA on that reconsideration from my last video. If you haven't seen the last video, it is for the loan increase, so round 2 of the EIDL, the loan increase on your loan, and anybody can reach out for it that has had a loan, or you can continue to try to work to get a loan if you want to. But anyway, so I got an answer back, and it's on my screen, or I put it in an email over here. It's not from the email that I received from them, but I copied and pasted it right here. And what it says is, before we go any farther, subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate subscribers. I do appreciate your views, and so please subscribe. I always forget to tell people to do that in the beginning of the video. I wait till the end, and sometimes I've lost people. But subscribe to my channel, like the video, any question you have, put it in the comments. Any comments you have, put it down there, and I answer. When people ask questions, I answer pretty quick because I get a notification, and we can get on the phone, or I'll email you, or just whatever you want me to do to help out you guys. I'm here to help. So this is what it says. We have reviewed your request for an increase of the above referenced disaster loan. At this time, we're unable to complete the evaluation of your request until the following information is provided. Include a copy including all schedules of the most recently filed federal tax return for the business. An IRS Tax Form 4056T for applicant business. The correct version of the form may be obtained at IRS Form 4506T. Now this is the deal. So in my last video, I guess the 4056T form that I filled out and sent to them, it didn't have disaster loan at the top. So they look identical except one says disaster loan. Now in that video that I have on there, the 4056T that is listed under that video now is the correct one. I had to change it out here about a week ago. So if you filled it out and sent it, I apologize. It's just what I had got from someone else, and it wasn't the right one. But you would know because they would answer you back and tell you that. So the correct one is in my other video. It'll be below this video also. You guys, if you subscribe to my channel, you don't see a bunch of videos on this increase or stimulus package updates because, like I said, I listen to people and I try to get the updates every single day, probably like a lot of you. But I'm not going to do a video if there's no update, and there has not been any update. They've worked towards this stimulus package, the second stimulus check. They've even tried passing some standalone bills for the SBA grants or the PPP loans, okay, the second round of PPP loans. And they just haven't been able to do it yet. And now with this election going on, it's taking even longer. So I encourage you to keep pushing for your second round increase, or your first round increase, or your SBA loan increase. Continue to push for that. If you get denied, push for it. I see people all the time that have got denied that have actually finally got it after they continue to send the information. It's usually they need information, more information, or a correct form added. Now, I told you guys in mine, it said over here, include a complete copy including all schedules of the most recently filed federal tax return for the business. If you're like me, this business here in particular that I got the loan on was one that I started in January. So I don't have a tax return for that business. So, that's okay if that's a question you're wondering. Just fill it out. Don't fluff your numbers or anything like that, because people get denied because their numbers don't match up. But if you don't have a tax return for that business, you don't you don't have one in that email. Tell them you started in January. You know, you haven't filed taxes yet, and you're still trying to stay afloat, because I know if you're like me, you ran out of that money 8 weeks into it, if anything, just for paying your paycheck. So stay positive, keep pushing through. I will continue to give you updates on what happens to me. I'm going to continue to push through, and in my heart and in my mind, I believe that there will be a second round of stimulus checks, PPP loans. I think there'll be more money put into second rounds. I think there could even possibly be a third stimulus check eventually, once we get past this presidential election and everything that's going on. You'll also notice, okay, and I'll get back to this video. You'll also notice on my YouTube channel, I have other videos that have to do with forex market education, and what that is you know, I'm a home inspector. I'm going to school, working towards a master's degree in social work and computer repair business, things like that. I do anything I can to make money. And so when I sat home, you guys, with the kids, when they got pushed out of school because of the pandemic, and I was forced to sit at home with them, I tried to diversify other ways of making money. So things that I had been doing in the past, like trading stocks or buying and selling stocks or options, was something that I started to get into more. But I had always been into the forex market and not put a lot of time into it. And the thing is with stocks, you guys, you can only make money when the stocks rise, okay? And the stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, is only open from 4 to 8 or whatever, 4 to 8:30, whatever it is, in the daytime, or 8 to 4. I'm sorry. But I don't want you to get this. Hey, if you hear me say stocks or forex market and it sounds like a foreign language to you, I want you to know that's what it sounded like to me at one time too. It doesn't take anybody with any type of schooling background or anything. Okay, average, everyday single people. I've got a team right now of 70 or 80 people on this forex education platform that are learning to trade, that are on this team with me, that are making money daily. And it's something you can do anywhere you have an internet connection. So if you're interested in trying to find ways to make money from home and not jump around to all these sponsored ads you see on Facebook and everywhere else, but you want to learn something pretty quick that you can make money on, that doesn't cost you an arm and a leg to even get involved, that you can start trading, that people, I'll tell you this, the banks, if you try to go get your balance at about 2 in the morning at your bank, and you get a little piece of paper that says the system is down, that's because banks use your money, everybody's money, to trade on the forex market. That's how they make their money. That's how they're able to make money. Same with Amazon and Walmart. They're using money trading on the forex market. It's like stocks, but it's really not stocks. It is like the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. And you know, the rates fluctuate. So you make money, you can make money when it goes up or down, you guys. And so this election, and right now, it's volatile. It's made everything. So many people are making so much money. It is crazy. The same company has a network marketing. I've never even thought about network marketing, you guys. But when I see the money that people are making and the little time that you put into it to make that money, I'm amazed, and so I have gotten into that. So I have ways, and I try to explain where to go and how to make that money and where to be part of. And I'll never ask you for any money, so you don't have to worry about that. To get back to this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've only got interesting stuff on there that is easy, that everybody can learn. I got a 7-year-old son that's learning the forex market, so if you think that you can't do it, I promise you can. I'll be glad to walk you through it. I'll be glad to get on the phone with you. I'll be glad to get on Zoom sessions with you. That is what this company I work with does. And I also work a regular job, or I also work, I have my own business, you know, doing home inspections. I do websites. I do computer repair. I do marketing for local companies. I work with nonprofits. So, anyways, thank you for your views. We are overwhelmed at the outpouring of views, and it has been the best, you know, outpouring that I've had on anything. And believe me, I know that I could ride the wave with every other YouTuber out there if I just started doing videos every day about stimulus package updates or grant loans and all that stuff. But I'm not going to do that, because I get upset when I put my time into watching these and there's no update. And I do it because I'm trying to get my increase, and I'm trying to help. I just want to educate people on, there's no point, what I'm saying is, going through trial and error. If you've got someone that's already done it, someone that's doing that work for you, there's no reason for us all to go through trial and error. So what I've learned, I'm passing on. Same with my teachers in college. I'm not going to go through trial and error. They put someone up there that's been doing it for years to teach you that, right? So you don't have to do that. Same with the Forex market or stocks or options. I can help you guys with that. Anybody can do it. Doesn't take a lot of money. You can make a lot of money. You can lose money, but the great thing is the people that have went before us that are making 6, 7, and 8 figures know how to do money management. They know how to teach you not to risk or over leverage your account, or if you have a $100 account, you don't want to spend or you don't want to put more than $30 into your trading a day, and then you don't want to be greedy when you make money. So anyways, I encourage you to like the video, share it, subscribe. Let's get it to the number 1 so we don't have to hear all these other people doing these stimulus updates when there's no update. And I'll keep you plugged, and when I find out an answer on this, I'm sending the second form in. I will let you know. The list of forms will be underneath this video. The links to the company or Epic Trading that I'm with will be under this video. And just reach out to me. Put a comment. I listen to the comments, or I don't listen to them. I read them. I answer them back pretty quick. My email is ccarterinvestments@gmail.com. If you put a comment below, if you didn't get that, I'll reply to you and give you my email. And I'm willing to get on the phone with you. I'm not going to ask you for any money ever, you guys. And anyways, I'm just here to try to help people out. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Let's get it to the top. God bless you. Have a good night. Let me know what other videos you want to see. If you are in a certain city or state, you're looking for a local grant during this time, then put your city and state in the comments, and I will find out the grants that are available that you might not have heard about, and I will reach out to you and give them to you. If you are looking for just small business grants throughout the United States, just let me know, and I've got another video that has some, but I'm continuing to look for more, and I find a lot that are specific for local communities, and so that's why I'm saying wherever you live at, let me know, and I will try to help you. We've lost a lot of businesses during this pandemic. There's a lot going under, and but we're going to come out stronger. We're going to keep, if you're still going and you're trying to keep your head afloat, stay plugged in, subscribe to my channel, and I will try to find you individual help if I can do that, but I will sure put the time into it after work at night and give you another video. So anyways, subscribe, like it. That's my kids in the background being goofy, but that's okay. That's another thing about the Forex market and learning it, everybody, is that it allows you to have more time with your family. It allows you to take vacations I wouldn't have been able to take again or before. It allows you a different mindset. The people are great and positive. I've met thousands and thousands of people worldwide that I would have never known, and we're continuing to make more daily together, and you can be part of that if you want to. So we'll see you later, and I'll let you have an update on this second email I send out. They did answer me pretty quick on that email. You'll get a response right away saying they received it. But they did get back to me within a week, you guys, and I just haven't had time to answer it and get back on it. But they're pretty quick, so it doesn't take forever like I was thinking. And like I said, keep plugging through. You'll get there. We'll get there together, okay? Have a blessed day. Thanks.